Good afternoon, everyone. So, our subject for today is user experience design. So, my final topic is label prototype. So, I'm Josefina Basquinia, the reporter for today. So, here is my topic is all about the labeling. So, generic drug labeling. So drug labeling is the the new drug applications, and that must be the same as the last approved reference listed drug RLD. Labeling expert for permissible differences, example the manufacturer, packer, distributor, information, packaging size, inactive ingredients, omission of information protected by the patent, or exclusivity difference due to an approved suitability petition. So here is the original label, which is erythromycin. So the left side is the label and the tube. So that is the that you have seen anywhere, or if you want to yung mga merong sakit sa mata, yun yung erythromycin. So makikita nyo yan siya. So yan yung RX. So here is my revision or my prototype. So at the right side, which is erythromycin, that is the complete layout that I'm going to propose. So that is my prototype. So the design direction of a new product or the feature, whether the copy, add value, or the user experience. So how easy to people find the complete user tasks, UI components, example accordions, drop down menu. So ito naman siya, yun yung meron siyang manufacturer. So yan yung mga details na iba. So, and also the updating generic drug labels. So, and the holders are expected to promptly update their generic drug labeling, so which is ANDA labeling, after FDA has approved, change the associated RLD labeling, prompt revision, submission to the FDA implementation, or revise. And the labeling are important to ensure that the generic drug continues to be the safe, effective as the correspondence of RLD. So, and the holder should routinely review the last approved the RLD labeling on drug and FDA to ensure that their ANDA labeling meets the same as requirements. So, for email updates about the RLD labeling, supplements approval. So, subscribe to CD drug safety labeling changes. So, ANDA holders can also obtain the last approved RLD labeling from FDA's Division of Freedom Information via online request. So, fax 301-827-9267. So, our email, FDA Divisions of Labeling and certain ANDAs associated with withdrawn reference listed drug RLD may be updated under the modern labeling article of 2020. So when updating the ANDA labeling would benefit the public health, and there are newer specific evidence available pertaining to the existing conditions to use is not reflected in the labeling. So the approved labeling does not reflect the current legal and regulatory requirements for content format, or there is a relevant accepted use in clinical practice, and it is not reflected in the approved label. So next is the enhance of the label and tube. So this is the label, and this one is the tube. So generic label, specific label guidance, and MAPP, acceptability of draft labeling to support ANDA approved. So final guidance. So, determining whether to submit the ANDAs of 505B2 application, final guidance. So, generic drug labeling revision under the section of 505.10 of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Article MAPP 5230.3 revision. So, good ANDA submission practices, draft guidance. So, Orange Book question and answer, final guidance. and also the referencing approved drug products and under submission, so final guidance. Revising under labeling following revision of the RLD labeling, so final guidance. So systematic antibacterial and antifungal drugs, so susceptibility test interpretation, criteria labeling for INDAS and ANDAS, final guidance. So updating ENDA labeling after marketing application for the reference and listed drug being withdrawn, draft guidance. So other generic drug specific labels, so reduces FDA's list, establish data names recommended to use Stallman lettering. So Orange Book is a searchable online database containing FDA approved drugs with therapeutic equivalence. Evaluation is the basis of the safety and effectiveness under the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act and related patent and exclusivity information. United States Pharmaceutical Internal Link Disclaimer. So general chapter, so labeling provides definitions and the labeling standards of the official USP. Articles including strength expressions for the injectable products. Pharmacy bulk packages, imaging bulk packages, labeling for ferrules and cap overseals, aluminum use in peripheral nutrition and expiration and beyond the use of the date. So here is my final layout. So I use the Corel Draw. So ito talaga yung ginagamit ko since 1994 po. So iba-iba na rin din yung version. So I started using Corel Draw, Corel Draw 4, then hanggang ngayon ay ano na din siya, 10 na. So there are some software na madali lang din mag-layout, pero dito kasi ako sanay kaya dito ko na ginagawa. So meron na ding Canva, Figma. So ayun, hindi talaga, kaysa naman mag-aaral pa din ako ng panibago pang layout na software. So ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. So ito na yung siyang final na layout which I revised already. So hindi rin madali na mag-revise or the prototype, which is meron din kasing rules and regulations yung mga FDA kung ano yung dapat na design, na meron silang rules. Let's say for example ang RX is divided into 10 sizes. Kung ano yung size, let's say for example 5, tapos divide kung ilang inches lang yung RX na ilalagay mo. Hindi pwede rin maglagay ng RX na medyo malaki rin. So medyo tama lang din na proportion lang din siya sa labeling. So ayan, can people navigate through the app and completely case steps? So do people understand what your copy instruction them to do? Kung ano yun ding mga instruction na binibigay, kailangan mo rin na i-guide mo rin. So get invaluable customer feedback early. So yun, as a graphic artist, kailangan din nating sumunod kung ano yung mga rules and regulations. So if your customer have the negative experience with your product, so you'll get a negative feedback. So the best way to avoid this is by getting input the real users before you release. So kapag nag-prototype din tayo, may mga rules din kasi yan. Hindi pwede yung gawa-gawa lang tayo ng layout na basta lang yan lang siya na layout. May mga rules din dyan. So ayan, that we should be follow. Let's say for example the concept testing. So this team is often used interchangeably with concept validation. So meron din siyang validation. But while they have a similar definition, so marami naman siyang let's say marami naman ding product, pero iba-iba naman ang pangalan. So pareho naman din ng bigas, 'di ba? Isa lang pareho lang sila ng type ng bigas, pero iba-iba na din yung label, iba-iba na din yung pangalan. So yun yung tinatawag natin na prototype. Iba-ibahin natin yung kanilang meron ding propose na mga design. So yun siya. So thank you very much for listening. And I hope you get learned from my product that I've already have the prototype. Okay, thank you for listening. God bless us all. As I prepared, I'm Josefina Basquinia. Thank you very much.